welcome to Art with Miss R. Today we're going to be making a do-it-yourself or DIY window paint. And so what I have in front of me is mostly tempera paint. The only paint that I have that is acrylic is my red one right here. So we're going to be doing a little experiment along with painting the windows of which paint works better. So first thing you're going to need is some of those paints. The second thing you're going to need is a muffin tin. Since I don't have little tiny bowls, I'm going to use a muffin tin to hold all the paint that I make. The next thing I'm going to need is a paintbrush or paintbrushes. And the third thing I'm going to need is some liquid dish soap, similar to what I got right here. So get all your supplies and let's make window paint together. Each of the paint one at a time and put them in each of these little cavities. Now that I have color in each of these cavities right here, I'm going to add a little bit of white, just a little bit, in order to make them a little bit more vibrant when they go onto the glass. I'm going to use a plastic spoon to mix them up. I'm going to add in a little bit of dish liquid. The more dish liquid you add, the thinner it will be. The less dish liquid you add, the thicker it will be. I'm going to go back through and mix it up.